Piano practice shouldn't be a battle, but if you're having trouble getting your child to sit down and practice, don't worry, you are not alone. So let's make practice fun again with these few easy hacks. Hi, I'm Miss Emily with EBN Music, and I'm a piano and voice teacher for young kids, but I also help parents like you bring music into your child's life in a stress-free way. So here are my 6 hacks for making piano practice not so hard. In my experience as a teacher, kids do better with short bursts of practice time. Think 5 to 10 minutes max. Using a timer can help kids see how much time they have to practice, and if you have them practice for 30 minutes a day, that is way too long. Just cut it down to 5 minutes. You can try upping it to 10 after a while, but stick with 5 and I think you'll notice a huge difference. Who doesn't love stickers? Even the older students really like stickers. Let your child choose the sticker they want and have them put a sticker on a sticker chart for each day they practice and set a goal. How many times should they practice before they earn a special reward? Your choice. But this will make it a lot of fun and they'll be able to visually see their progress. Have a dedicated space for the piano. Have it in a special room or at least a space in the corner of a family room or something like that, where it feels inviting and welcoming and special, and you can even have some friends there with them. Having a dedicated space and a tidy space and a nice looking space for practice can help it be even more enjoyable each time they go and sit down to practice. Besides setting a specific day and a specific time for regular practice, even if you have a routine, sometimes they still push back and say, I don't want to practice. When that happens, let's make it a little more fun for them. So even if you don't play piano, just do a little rhythm on the piano and see if they can repeat after you. Make it a fun game. So get them kind of like into the space and into the piano at first, and I bet it'll help encourage some practicing. So try it and let me know how it works. No matter what book your child is working on, maybe it's my own book, My First Piano Lessons that I wrote. If you don't have this, go get it now at ebnmusic.com/books. But even if you don't have this book, whatever book your child is working on, you can gamify whatever they're working on. So let's use my book as an example. So in lesson 5, they learn all about measures. So if you turn to the song that they're learning, Itsy Bitsy Spider, you can make this a game. So grab a dice, roll it. Let's say it's number 5. So they have to count the measures and play that measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down came the... So they pointed to it and then now see if they can play it. Even if you don't have any book, you can still roll a dice and maybe that's how many notes they need to play in a row. Something like that. There's always a simple way you can make practice a game. Some parents struggle with the fact that they don't feel like their child's making a lot of progress. Lessons probably look a lot different for a young 4, 5, 6-year-old child as it does for a 10 and 11-year-old. If your child is really young, it's going to be slow progress, but actually it's not going to be that slow. It's just different. Let's say that it's different progress because they might not be learning a lot of songs or note reading, but they are learning patterns and rhythm and pitches and things like that. And so trust the process and just keep encouraging your child do exactly what their teacher has told them, or if you are their teacher, just set an easy goal for them and I think it'll work great. Trust the process. So we don't want perfect practice, we just want consistency. I hope those hacks were helpful, and I also hope that you will go and grab My First Piano Lessons at ebnmusic.com/books. On that website as well, I actually have a course where I go through all lessons in the book and I show your child exactly how to play and all the concepts involved. So if you want that as well, that's on that website as well. So I hope that you enjoy playing with your child and I hope you enjoy piano and I hope your child enjoys it too. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm just a comment away, or you can follow me on all of my social medias here on Facebook, Instagram, or of course YouTube. And please join me in the next video. If you liked this video, please like it and and subscribe to Evian Music with Emily Norris for more fun music tips. And let me know what you want to learn next, or what you're struggling with, or what you're interested in learning. And I will see you next time. Bye.